we've decided to take on 1,000 miles of the Great Divide mountain bike route as complete beginner bike packers. The Great Divide mountain bike route is the longest off-pavement route in the world, running from Canada to Mexico.
We feel like we just entered an old Western movie right now.
This is hail! This freaking sucks! These winds are like 40 miles an hour!
Got this here.
Water's getting in here somehow. We're already way behind considering the weather and the rest days. It was so big. There are literally no easy days on this trail. There's always some kind of catch. What are you doing? Why are you following us? There's almost nothing worse than being stagnant and not progressing and not improving. And so I think that's one of the reasons we do these ventures. We want to push ourselves to our limits. We want to really see what we can take, what we can do.
We saw 2 bears on our first day. This is gonna be a really awesome adventure.